Why is the age of 60 a death sentence for your sleep? You've tried everything, from expensive sleeping pills and melatonin to hyped-up herbal teas. But the result is still the same restless, short nights. Every morning you wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed. There's a simple, forgotten secret in your kitchen that could completely change your life. That secret is ginger, a natural miracle cure used for thousands of years. Ginger is more than just a spice. Throughout the history of medicine, it has been considered a precious remedy to warm the body, soothe the nerves, and boost blood circulation. These are all core elements that help you drift into a deep sleep naturally, without medication. Today, modern science has proven that ginger contains compounds that can reduce inflammation, stabilize heart rate, and regulate nervous system activity, creating a perfect environment for sleep. In this video, I will share with you 3 groundbreaking methods to use ginger at home to improve your sleep. All are safe, easy to do, and the first method, in particular, can bring surprising results in just a few days. If you genuinely crave a good night's sleep. Watch this entire video so you don't miss the most important information. If you're looking for a natural and effective solution, subscribe to the Healthy 70s Daily Life channel and turn on the notification bell right now. Before we dive into these 3 methods, we need to understand why a small piece of ginger has such extraordinary power. In Asian cultures, ginger doesn't just add a spicy, warm flavor. It's considered a natural medicine that helps balance the body. According to traditional medicine, ginger has a spicy taste, a warm nature, and affects key meridians like the lungs, spleen, and stomach. This means ginger helps open up the flow of energy and blood, promotes circulation, aids digestion, warms the stomach, reduces bloating, and clears the airways. When blood circulation improves and the nervous system is relaxed, the body naturally shifts into a state of deep sleep. Modern science has confirmed this through to main compounds in ginger, gingerol, and shagal. Gingerol has strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce swelling and improve peripheral blood flow. Shagal, which forms when ginger is dried or cooked, is notable for its antioxidant properties and its calming effect on an overactive central nervous system. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that gingerol and shagal can help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone, thus helping the body easily transition into a state of rest. Furthermore, ginger can stimulate the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. Clinical trials have also noted that when people over 60 drink warm ginger tea in the evening, they feel warmer, their hands and feet are less cold, their heart rate slows, and they fall asleep more easily. These are crucial physiological responses for this age group, where blood circulation and body temperature regulation often decline. The effects of ginger may vary from person to person, but its biggest advantage is that it doesn't cause dependency, memory impairment, or prolonged daytime drowsiness like some sleeping pills. Ginger is cheap, easy to find, and safe. If your insomnia is caused by a serious medical condition, consider ginger a supportive therapy under your doctor's guidance. Once you understand this, you'll realize that just a cup of warm ginger tea or a few minutes of soaking your feet can send a strong signal to your body that it's time to rest. 3 golden sleep hacks. Now that we understand the power of ginger, let's explore the 3 most effective methods, ranked from 3 to 1, so you can start today. Hack number 3. Ginger and rock sugar tea. A gentle start to sleep. This is the simplest recipe, with easy-to-find ingredients that provide a clear sense of warmth and relaxation. Rock sugar not only adds a gentle sweetness, but also balances ginger's heat, preventing a dry or hot feeling in the mouth. The gingerol and shagal in ginger help dilate blood vessels, increase blood flow, and soothe a tense nervous system. As a result, your heart rate stabilizes, and your brain can easily switch to rest mode. Asterisk how to make it. Boil half a liter of water with half a thinly sliced ginger root. Add rock, sugar, and simmer for 5 more minutes. Enjoy it while it's warm, ideally in the afternoon for a relaxing effect. With just a few days of consistency, you'll notice your body feeling lighter, your mind calmer, and your sleep coming faster and deeper. If you find this hack useful, hit the like button so I know to keep sharing more. Asterisk hack number 2. Ginger and salt. Foot soak deep relaxation from the outside in. Asterisk, this is a powerful method that doesn't require you to drink a single drop. The feet are home to dozens of pressure points connected to the heart, brain, and nervous system. Soaking your feet in warm ginger and salt water expands blood vessels, improves circulation, reduces the heart's workload, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the ideal state for falling asleep. The salt enhances the warming effect and provides mild antibacterial benefits. Asterisk how to do it. Crush half a ginger root and add it to a basin of warm water, around pH -113 degrees Fahrenheit, with a teaspoon of salt. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes before bed. After soaking, dry your feet and put on a pair of thin socks to keep them warm. After just a few nights, you'll feel more relaxed, sleep deeper, and wake up with a clear head. Note: don't soak if you have open wounds, and don't soak for more than 30 minutes. If you think this method is worth trying, comment, I will try so I know you're joining me. Hack number 1. Ginger, honey, and lemon tea. The ultimate elixir from within. This is the strongest formula, combining 3 golden ingredients for a double benefit. Ginger warms and relaxes. Honey stabilizes blood sugar and stimulates serotonin production, a precursor to melatonin, and lemon adds vitamin C and a refreshing aroma. This blend creates a warm, fragrant, and delightful tea that helps your body and mind completely unwind. Asterisk how to make it. Boil half a liter of water. Add 4 to 6 slices of fresh ginger and simmer for 5 minutes. Let it cool slightly. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of 1/4 to 1/2 a lemon. Drink it warm, about 1 hour before bed. If you have a sensitive stomach, use less lemon juice. If this recipe sounds appealing, save it and try it tonight. Final reminders before we finish. I want to remind you of a few important points for safe and effective ginger use. First, do not peel the ginger. Second, never use bruised or damaged ginger. Third, don't overuse it, as ginger is warming. Lastly, remember that ginger is a supportive therapy, not a magical cure. Good sleep is the result of a healthy diet, proper rest, and a relaxed mind. Ginger is simply a natural, safe, and easy tool to support you. Choose one of these 3 methods. Try it tonight and share your experience. If you know someone struggling with sleep, send them this video. Sometimes one small tip can change their life. And don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy 70s Daily Life channel so you won't miss out on other simple, effective health tips.